Now on to dessert. We're gonna make an upside down chocolate lava cake in the microwave in 1 minute and 40 seconds to cook it. And it's just so easy, and you can share it with anyone you want. So let's get started. I'm gonna put this in my sink and we're gonna grab things we need. So I've got some melted butter, and that's gonna go in. And I'm just gonna give that a little bit of a swirl around just to make sure all the edges are nicely buttered. And then I'm gonna pour in my full milk and my sugar and my Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour blend. I've got some cocoa there. And with cocoa, sometimes you need to accentuate the flavor. So I've got some ground coffee crystals, and I've got some salt, and then you've got a little bit of baking powder just to help with the rise. And then we've got some vanilla, and I've got a room temperature egg, and I'm gonna crack this into a separate container because I like to make sure that there's no shells in there, and there aren't any shells. And we're gonna whisk this up. I should have gotten a smaller whisk. But you can see just how easy it is so far to make. And I was skeptical at first when I made this the first time, and I was like, there's no way that this is going to work. There's just no way. And then I also need to put some chocolate chips on top. And then lastly, I'm just waiting for my hot water. There we go. We want 2 tablespoons of hot water. And that just goes right on top. And I'm gonna microwave this for 1 minute and 35 seconds. So there we go. It took 1 minute and 35 seconds in my microwave. I'm just gonna grab an offset palette knife. You can use a knife, and I'm just gonna go around the edge. You can see there's a little bit of softness there. That's what we want. Oh, that looks good. I want to try that. Okay, well, I think I need to get someone in here to help me with this. Hey, Jamie, do you want to come in and join me for some dessert?
Yep.
So this is an upside down chocolate lava cake, and we're gonna flip it. So we flip it like that. Here's hoping. Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Yep.
I wouldn't have guessed that it would have oozed, and like it looks a bit like a lava flowing.
Looks like a volcano.
Yeah, it looks like a volcano.
Looks like a volcano.
Well, I think we need some whipped cream on that. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Nice big dollop of whipped cream. Where should we put that? Maybe there.
Looks like smoke coming out of the volcano. You know?
Absolutely. And maybe some raspberries. A couple raspberries.
Sure.
Oh, there we go. So, here's a fork for you to try, and a fork for me to try. And bon appetit.
I'm gonna try just the cake first.
Yes, let's try just the cake.
It's almost like a pudding.
It's almost like a pudding, but the cake part is so fluffy. Like there's so much air and fluff in that.
It doesn't taste like when you think of a store-bought gluten-free cake.
No.
It's nothing like it.
No, it doesn't taste anything like that. This is really good. If you're looking for the recipe, you can go to glutenfreeguy.ca. You can also follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching.
That's really good.